Which Obama here is real?
To help families refinance their homes, to invest in things like high-tech manufacturing, clean energy, and the infrastructure that creates good new jobs.
Anyone? The answer is none of them. None of these is actually real. My inspiration for this work was a project meant to preserve our last chance for learning about Holocaust from the survivors. It allows you to have interactive conversations with a hologram of a real Holocaust survivor.
How did you survive the Holocaust?
How did I survive? I survived, I believe, because Providence watched over me.
These answers were pre-recorded in a studio, yet the effect is astounding. You feel so connected to his story and to him as a person. So I saw this and began to wonder, can we create a model like this for anyone? A model that looks, talks, and acts just like them. I eventually came up with a new solution that can build a model of a person using existing photos and videos of a person. First, we introduced a new technique that can reconstruct high-detail 3D face model from any image without ever 3D scanning the person. And here's the same output model from different views. This also works on videos by running the same algorithm on each video frame and generate a moving 3D model. What's fascinating about this is that the photo collection can come from your typical photos. It doesn't really matter what expression you're making or where you took those photos. What matters is that there are a lot of them. And we're still missing color here. So next, we develop a new blending technique that improves upon a simple averaging method and produces sharp facial textures and colors. And here's a lot of fun demo. So what you see here are a controllable model of people I built from their internet photos. Now, if we transfer the emotion from the input video, we can actually drive the entire party.
It's a very difficult bill to pass because there's a lot of moving parts, and the legislative process can be ugly.
These results seem very realistic and intriguing, but at the same time frightening. One thing that concerns me is its potential for misuse. People have been thinking about this problem for a long time, since the days when Photoshop first hit the market. As a researcher, I'm also working on countermeasure technology, and I'm part of an ongoing effort at AI Foundation, which uses a combination of machine learning and human moderators to detect fake images and videos, fighting against my own work. And one of the tools we plan to release is called Reality Defender, which is a web browser plugin that can flag potentially fake contents automatically right in the browser. Fake videos could do a lot of damage, even before anyone has a chance to verify. So it's very important that we make everyone aware of what's currently possible, so we can have the right assumption and be critical about what we see.